Weekly Medi-Spa Facial Kit here with us today so that you can actually see what's inside. I've gotten a lot of questions about what are the steps, so let's go over them, okay? First of all, when you get the box, it's very pretty, it smells good, it looks like a gift because it is. When you open it up, the first thing that you'll see are the simple instructions that I've referred to a lot of times. It only take 20 minutes. You got this nice confetti. And then the steps. Step 1 is your cleanser. Step 2 is the toner, which you just spray right onto the skin or onto your fingers and then the skin, which is how I do it. Step 3 is the secret weapon. This I created as an exfoliant to remove all the dirt and debris and dead skin cells. I use this professionally. So it really does give us those results. That's your step 3. Step 4 is your mask. Step 5, after you take them, wait 10 minutes before taking the mask off. Step 5 is a very nice vitamin pack, a multivitamin pack that goes onto the skin. And then after the vitamins go on, your step 6 is moisturizer. That concludes your facial. All of that can be done in 20 minutes unless you decide to also do the steaming and extractions after step 3. And then for the following 3 days, you have the bonus step, which is my honey almond scrub that will allow you to remove any dead skin cells and to keep your skin hydrated and moist so you don't look dry or peely. So now you know exactly what's in the kit. Make sure you order yourself one now.